Now, let's break down how to trade this strategy step by step. The first step of trading the strategy is knowing how to identify a trend reversal. This part is absolutely crucial. If you mess this up, the trade simply won't work. Here's how to do it. One of the first things traders learn is how to recognize uptrends and downtrends. When price forms higher highs and higher lows, it's considered an uptrend. When it forms lower highs and lower lows, it's a downtrend. Sounds straightforward, but is it really that simple in practice? But here's the catch. There's a good chance you might be interpreting this wrong. Let me walk you through an example to explain. Imagine a chart that's clearly showing an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Then something interesting happens. The price starts to drop and breaks a previous low. This is where I see most traders make a common mistake. When that low gets broken, many assume the trend is reversed and believe we're now in a downtrend. But what if I told you this chart is still technically bullish? Yes, the price did break a low, but it wasn't a valid low. Why not? Because that low never led to a break of the previous highs. Let me make this absolutely clear. For a low to be considered valid, it must be followed by a breakout above the previous high. In our example, the price never actually broke that previous high, which means that low wasn't valid. The valid low is this one. So even if the price pulls back into this area, as long as it stays above the valid low, the uptrend is still intact. Now, let's take this a step further. If the price instead pushes higher and breaks the previous highs, that move establishes a new high. In this case, the valid low shifts to the most recent low formed just before that breakout. And from this point on, for the trend to reverse, the price must break below this new valid low. So if you're ready to deepen your market knowledge, sharpen your trading edge, and start making smarter investment decisions, don't miss the full video on our channel. Watch now.